Hello there. What is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is a general purpose and object relational database management system. It is portable. That means it can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS X, Solaris, and Unix. It was basically designed to run on Unix-like platform, but it can also run on other platforms as well. That's why it is portable. PostgreSQL is free and open source. What that means is that the source code is available under the PostgreSQL license. So it's a liberal open source license. So you're free to use, to modify, and distribute PostgreSQL in any form. PostgreSQL requires very minimum maintenance because of its stability. There are lots of companies that are using PostgreSQL. Let's take a look at some notable companies. So this is just a very brief list of some notable companies that are currently using PostgreSQL. So notable ones include Apple, we've got Skype, we've got Cisco, and many others.